Nobody likes to call a roofing company, but what we've tried to do for service, at least, is make it as easy as possible. So there's two ways you can request a service quote from us. One is go onto our website. So I'll show you how that's done. So go up to the website. If you have a roofing issue, you click on the roofing, hit next. You go and if it's a repair, which is what we're talking about now, click repair, hit next. You're going to want to put in something like my flashing fell off or my siding fell down or whatever it is, and then go outside, take a bunch of pictures, and then upload these pictures. You can do this on your phone, and you can do this on a regular computer. It doesn't matter which one, but you can use the same feature for that. And then you just select your images and hit next. It'll ask you to fill out your name, all the contact info. And then what happens is what we do is we take a look at those pictures. We make sure that it's something that we can do. And if it's something we can do, we will put together a quote and email it back to you for you to take a look at and make a decision on whether you want to go forward with it. If you do, just sign it at the bottom electronically and it'll send right back to us, and we'll start to get everything ready and get you on the schedule. The other way is to also go up to our website where you can call in, but if it's a repair where you need one of us, a technician, to come out and actually get on the roof, or you have multiple things that you want to discuss, it's $199 for us to come out and do that. And the reason we did that is because we had so many customers who were waiting for us to get to their properties in order to just give them a price on fixing the work and diagnosing the work, that we couldn't service everybody. So what we've done is we implemented the $199, and that gets us to your house. That gets one of our highly trained technicians out to your place to diagnose what's going on. And then what you can do from that point is make a decision on whether you want to go with any additional work that we might find. So let's say we get there and we find out that it's like $800 worth of reflashing a chimney. Well, you'll have to make a decision on whether you want to sign for $800. You don't have to do it on the spot. We can send it to you in an email. But if you do end up wanting to go with that $800, what we do is we take the $199 and apply it to that. So you're not throwing your money out. You're not paying us $199 to diagnose it and then do nothing further. I can say that by doing this, we eliminated long wait times for customers to just to go out and take a look at this, the issues. We are sending highly trained technicians to diagnose these issues, and in our opinion, that's valuable and should never be free. And if you want to take our diagnosis and shop it, go for it. Have someone else look at our contracts and they can shop that number. It's up to you. But what we found also is that 20% of our customers, we solve the issue for just $199. And then 70% of our customers, they decide to sign for more than $199. And 10% of customers only get a diagnosis and never do anything further. So they only owe us the $199 based on our diagnosis. So sometimes what we'll do is we'll get out to a job and we're diagnosing something that has nothing to do with stuff we can fix. So we'll go there. For example, we had one customer call us and had all this water going into his house. Well, here it was actually the drains that go underground from the downspouts that were pushing water into his wall and into the house. So there was nothing we could do there, but we at least diagnosed it and put them in the right direction and said, hey, call a landscaping company or a drainage specialist company to come out and fix that. We've had other issues where the sewer lines were leaking into the house. There's nothing that we can do there, but at least they didn't have to. They spent $199 for us to figure it out when 7 or 8 other contractors still couldn't figure this out. And it had nothing to do with, everyone else was trying to sell something to them, but there was really nothing to sell because it had nothing to do with anything roof, siding, all the stuff that we deal with had nothing to do with what we could do. And so a lot of the 199 people that just pay 199, which is 10% of everybody that has us come out, they most of them have something that we can't even fix, but we figured it out for them. So anyway, this is how you can do all this stuff. You can go on our website and get full replacement quotes as well, and we can come out and we'll take a look at the property and talk to you, find out what your wants and needs are, and then get you a quote. But for service alone, there's just two ways. The two ways are pretty easy. One is free. You go to our website. Let's say capping fell down. Yeah, you send us the pictures. We send you a quote. You let us know whether you want it, want to go forward or not by digitally signing the contracts. The other way is we come out for $199. We diagnose the problem. You make a decision. We give you additional quotes if needed, and then you make a decision on whether you want to use us or not. If you don't want to be bothered by us coming to your house and knocking on your door, and you don't, it's something simple, we can just price over a bunch of pictures, then why would you have us at our house? It's just so much easier. So anyway, if you can do the free option, it's awesome. If you can't, we're still going to take care of you and get you in the right position to figure out what's going on with your property, and then you can make a decision going forward whether you want to use us. If you like our diagnosis or not, that's up to you. 20% of the people we meet, we solve it for $199. 70% go with something more, and 10% only never do anything but pay the $199. So anyway, if you're interested, let us know. Hopefully we can help out. And this is just a simple, easy way for you to get service on your home without having to deal with anybody, or limit the amount of time you have to spend meeting people for the free side. And for the other side, look, we're really good at diagnosing these things, and then we can give you a quote to then fix it, and hopefully we can do the work for you.